Continuing on the current affairs series, the next question is, what was the theme of the World Leprosy Day 2026? The theme was Leprosy is Curable, the Real Challenge is Stigma. When is National Youth Day observed? National Youth Day is observed every year on 12th January. When is Pravasiya Bharatiya Divas observed? So Pravasiya Bharatiya Divas, this is observed every year on 9th January. Which renowned ecologist passed away at the age of 83? So Madhav Gadgil, he was a renowned ecologist, and he passed away at the age of 83. Now, who was appointed as the chairperson of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board? That is AERB, stands for Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. And who was appointed as the chairperson of this body? So this was A.K. Balasubramaniam. A.K. Balasubramaniam has been appointed as the chairperson of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. When is Global Family Day observed? So Global Family Day is observed every year on 1st January. Which work was released by Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan at Bharat Mandapam? So he released Mahaman Vangme. This was a work that was released by Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan at Bharat Mandapam. Who received the 2025 IFFCO Sahitya Samman? So 2025 IFFCO Sahitya Samman, this was received by Maitri Pushpa. Maitri Pushpa, she received the 2025 IFFCO Sahitya Samman. Which Indian was also honored with UNEP's 2025 Champions of the Earth Award? So it is Supriya Sahu. Supriya Sahu, she's an Indian, and she has been honored with UNEP's, that is United Nations Environment Programme's 2025 Champions of the Earth Award. At which film festival was Alia Bhatt and honored with the Golden Globe Horizon Award? So Alia Bhatt has been recently awarded the Golden Globe Horizon Award at the 5th Red Sea Film Festival. And this is the 5th Red Sea International Film Festival celebrated in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Who was named Times 2025 Person of the Year? So Times 2025 Person of the Year, it is the Architects of AI. The Architects of AI has been named Times 2025 Person of the Year Award.